replaces a noun or noun phrase. We use pronouns so as not to repeat again and again. Hey, where is Bill? Well, I could say Bill is teaching English, or Bill is over here, right? Where is Bill? Bill is Bill. What is Bill's favorite color? Bill's favorite color is. No, what we want to do is we want to take out Bill and we want to put in a pronoun. So and we do that so that we don't repeat Bill again and again. Nobody wants to hear that, really. So most pronouns are short words. There are 9 different types of pronouns. Some of the most common pronouns are he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. Pronouns can function with a direct object or indirect objects. Here are some examples with pronouns. Can you find the pronouns? Is that yours? Yes, I just bought it a few days ago. So, we have a couple different types of pronouns here. Yours is a pronoun and it is a pronoun. So we have 2 pronouns. Why are they running down the street? Well, they need to catch the bus. They is a pronoun. If it was 2 people I knew, I could say, hey, why are Bob and Sally running down the street? But sometimes we don't do that because it's too much. And also, if the other person knows who you're talking about, why? Why do you need their name? So we often put a pronoun in there because it's easier, simple, faster, something like that. Hey, do you want to buy a pair of jeans at the shop? Yes, let's walk to it, right? It is a pronoun. Or I could say, hey, let's walk to the shop. But we take out shop, put in a pronoun because we don't want to continue to repeat the same word over and over again. Here are a few more examples. Can you find them? Hey, what is his name? His name is Bob, right? So what is his? His is a pronoun. Name is a noun. Bob is a proper noun. Do you live in London? Yes, I do. Who is he married to? Well, he's married to Sally. He is your pronoun. Here are a few word definitions to help you with your English. Do you know these words? Well, pronoun, we just talked about it, right? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Function, to function, how something works or operates. Common, something there is many of. We have a lot of those, something very common. Catch, to catch the bus before it leaves. Married, well, that's when 2 people agree to stay together forever. I want to thank you for joining me today. Have fun with English.